Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to design a website in Figma. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, this step-by-step guide will help you create a beautiful and functional website. So let's get started. First, let's set up your workspace. Open Figma and create a new file. Now let's use a frame tool and create an artboard. So we'll start with a desktop size of 1440 by 1024 pixels, which is common resolution for web design. You can use this frame section right here on the right sidebar to manually type the size. So here, as you can see. Now a grid system helps maintain alignment and consistency throughout your design. So to make a grid, you just have to select the artboard right here on the right side of your screen and click on the plus icon under the layout grid in the right sidebar and choose a column grid, set it to 12 columns and with a gutter of 20 pixels and a margin of 120 pixels on each side. Now let's start with the header. Use the rectangle tool to create a background. And here you can add a logo on the left, navigation links in the center, and also we have a call to action button on the right side of your screen. So you can use consistent spacing and align everything to the grid for a clean look. Next, we'll design the hero section. So right from here. So you can add a large background image using a rectangle tool or type R on your keyboard and fill it with an image. So here you can fill the image and then you can add a heading, sub-heading, and a call to action button. So make sure the text is actually readable by adjusting the background overlay or basically the text color. Now let's design the features section. Create 3 or 4 feature blocks using the rectangle tool. Inside each block, add an icon and heading and description. Use a consistent spacing and alignment for a cohesive look. Testimonials and credibility to your website. You just have to create a testimonial section by adding quotes and images of your customers. As you can see on your screen, you can use the text tool or T on your keyboard for the quotes and the rectangle tool or type R on your keyboard for the images. Align the elements neatly and use consistent styling. So here, as you can see on your screen, we have just created a testimonial box and we can basically change the quotes or the message, and then you can basically change the images right here. Now finally, let's have a design for a footer. So as you can see, you can use the rectangle tool in the top left hand corner to create a background. And then you can add links to important pages, social media accounts, as you can see, and then like the copyright text. And then you can align the elements to the grid and use consistent styling to match the rest of the design. So responsive design ensures your website looks great on all devices. So you can create additional artboards for tablet mobile sizes, adjust the layout and elements to fit the screens using the same grid system and design principles. And that's it. You've learned how to design a website in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.